Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you how I made this preset in Lightroom Mobile. Now, if you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now, let's get started. First, go to the Lights panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the contrast to -53. Highlights to -72. Shadows to 19. Whites to -61. And blacks to 48. Now go to the curve tone. Adjust the white like this, and then click done. And now go to the color panel. Adjust the temperature to 6, tint to 4, and vibrance to 43, and saturation to -19. Now go to color, mix. Go to red, adjust the hue to -5. Saturation to 52. And luminance to 26. Go to orange. Leave the hue to 0, and adjust the saturation to -8. Luminance to 18. Go to yellow, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -73. And leave the luminance to 0. Go to green, adjust the hue and saturation to -100. And leave the luminance to 0. Now go to aqua, adjust the hue and saturation to -100. And luminance to 54. Go to blue, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -60. And luminance to 43. Go to purple, adjust the saturation to -100. Go to magenta, leave the hue and luminance to 0, and adjust the saturation to -100. And now, go to the effects panel. I'll adjust the texture of this photo to 12. Clarity to 26. And dehaze to 14. And now, go to split tone. Go to highlights, adjust the hue to 34, and saturation to 7. And lastly, go to shadows, adjust the hue to 45 and saturation to 9. So now, we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in another video.